Hello, Calligrapher here and welcome to my new YouTube channel, which is about my journey to become a master calligrapher slash artist slash visual artist. And I will tell you what are my plans and what I'm going to do with this channel. So let me not take more of your valuable time and let's move on to the real part. Quick reminder, press the subscribe button to become a supporter of my journey if you don't want to miss a cool video. So here you can be part of the process of my work and become part of my story, which I'm just beginning to build. The construction of something that touched me deeply, which I boldly claim and believe is my real passion, namely calligraphy. In this channel, one of my ideas is not just to entertain you, but also take you on the path that I am following. Let me show you the development process and the steps that I will go through. I'm going to share with you what steps I'm going through, how I'm going to practice to get the maximum of this whole thing. And all this time I'm going to document all this whole thing, which I'm really excited about. As you know, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Follow the process of the development by clicking this red subscribe button and become a part of this whole upcoming experience. With all this, I'm laying the groundwork for making one of my biggest dreams come true. After all, a goal without an action plan is just a dream, right? Here is the time to ask you, have you discovered your real passion? And if so, what is it? Let me know in the comments below because I'm curious, really. One of my fixed ideas at the moment is to leave my current job, which takes 12 hours of my time, as soon as possible and become a full-time artist. And I strongly believe that I will achieve it. I have many prepared videos for you. Also, I have many interesting ideas and projects in my head, which I will implement, and thanks to YouTube, I will document and share it here with you. So, join this whole thing by pressing the subscribe button with the bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I will aim for each next video to be higher quality than the previous one, so it's not to be missed. Also follow me on Instagram, where you can follow things closely. There I upload things behind the scenes and I'm more active. Thank you for your time and now let's get started. See you next time.